Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful heart keychain. For this, we are using hook, punch needle, scissor, needle threader and yarn. So to do the heart keychain, first we have to trace the heart in the cloth. Then we have to thread the needle and just punch it. So now we'll see how to thread a needle. That is, we'll insert this needle threader inside the needle. Take the yarn, insert it in this needle threader. Pull the needle threader out. Next step, insert the needle threader this way. Insert this needle. Now we have threaded the punch needle. Next we are going to see how to punch them in this cloth. To adjust this length of the thread, you can just pull the thread at the back to adjust the length. And this needle length I am adjusting here. I am going to keep it at 12 size. So now let's see how to punch. So for this project I will be using the loop side as the correct side. Just insert it here. Take little bit and insert it in the side. Take the needle little bit and insert. So while pricking, this eye hole should be facing you. The way you prick, the eye hole should be facing. We need to do it very slowly. So it looks like this. At the back, if you see, you can see this loops. Since we are using the length of the needle as 12, so the loop are very big. While punching, you need to be careful that yarn should be free flowing. There should not be any block in this yarn. So whenever you prick, you need to be careful that this opening end facing the direction where you prick. If you see at the back side, it looks like this. So likewise, you are going to complete this heart by pricking them inside. So it looks like this. Likewise, you are going to complete this heart. If you did anything wrong, you can just pull the stitches and pull the yarn at the back like this. And then you can start as usual. After doing them, it looks like this. You see the loop side, it looks like this. So how to finish this one is just we are going to snip off this yarn here. After doing them, it looks like this. By following the same pattern, you have to do one more heart. After doing them, it looks like this. So next, let's see what to do. So remove it from the hook. We have to cut them around. Next we are going to cut them into slits. Next we will add glue and we are going to join them. Same way we have to do the other piece also. After doing them, it looks like this. Next we will add this part at the top like this here. Heart keychain looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.